Why does your scanner show the P2294 engine code? And what does it mean? The P2294 engine error code stands for the fuel pressure regulator to control circuit or open. The P2294 indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected a malfunction in the control circuit of the second fuel pressure regulator, typically signifying a problem with the wiring or the regulator itself. In this situation, cease driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: bad regulator, wiring issue, weak fuel pump, faulty sensor, ECM fault. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is a generic powertrain code that applies to OBD2-equipped vehicles such as GMC Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Mitsubishi, Volkswagen, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.